Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Yoga Sani Nugroho. My study number 06131282227033.
And I'm Tanti. My student number 06052682428018. We would like to practice our conversation about guide and tourists. We'll see.
Hello,
Yoga first.
Hello, welcome to Balaputra Dewa Museum. My name is Yoga and I'll be your tour guide for today. If you have any question along the way, feel free to ask me anytime, okay?
Hi Yoga, nice to meet you too. I'm Tanti. I came all the way from Korea. This is actually my first time in Palembang, so I'm really excited to explore and learn something new.
That's wonderful to hear. Welcome to Palembang, Tanti. It's a city full of history and delicious food too. I'm sure you are going to have a great time here. By the way, have you had the chance to visit any other museum or historical place in Indonesia before?
Not yet. This is my very first one. I read online that this museum has a lot of interesting stories, especially about the Sriwijaya Kingdom. I really wanted to see it for myself.
Yes, that's true. This museum focuses on the cultural heritage and historical artifacts from South Sumatra, especially during the golden age of the Sriwijaya Kingdom. Let's begin our tour right here. This traditional wood house is called Rumah Limas. It's one of the most iconic traditional houses from this region.
Wow, it's so beautiful and it looks really spacious too. I've never seen a house like this before. Do people still live in houses like this nowadays?
In some rural or traditional areas, yes, especially in village or for ceremonial purpose. The architectural design is actually very smart. The house is raised above the ground to help air circulation and also to protect from floods, which are common in some parts of the region.
Oh, that's really clever. It's amazing how traditional design can be so practical and at the same time, it's really artistic and charming.
Exactly. People here take great pride in their cultural heritage. Now, let's move to the next section. Here we have the archaeological artifacts. The stage, ceramic and inscription dates back to the Sriwijaya period, which was around the 7th to 13th century.
Wow, that's also all. You know, in Korea we also have ancient Buddhist statues, and some of these look very similar. That one over there reminds me of something I saw in Cheongju.
Yes, that's an interesting observation. Sriwijaya was a Buddhist maritime kingdom, and it had connection with many other Asian cultures, include China, India, and perhaps even Korea. So, it's very possible there are similarities.
That's so cool. I didn't realize there were so many historical connections between our countries. It makes me feel even more connected to this place.
That's the beauty of history and culture. It brings people together. Would you like to take a photo here in front of the stage?
Yes, I'd love that. Can you help me take one?
Of course, happy to help. Alright, say cheese. There you go. Looks great.
Thank you so much, Yoga. This whole experience has been so interesting and memorable. I've learned so much already.
You are very welcome, Tanti. I'm really glad you are enjoy the tour. Before you leave, don't forget to stop by the souvenir shop. They have some lovely handmade crafts and local product you might like.
Yes, definitely. I want to bring some home to remember this special day.
Great idea. And if you have any more questions during the tour, just let me know anytime.
Really? Thank you so much.
Yes, of course. You are welcome.
Thank you.